Some more breaking news coming in from the capital. The BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi is at a 3-day National Executive Council meet here in the capital. The crucial huddle will focus on BJP's strategy to gain a majority in the upcoming Lok Sabha poll. Senior party leaders including party veteran L.K. Advani, President Rajnath Singh, Sushma Swaraj, Arun Jaitley and Murli Manohar Joshi are at the meeting in the capital. Chief Ministers of BJP-ruled states are also attending the meeting being held at Delhi's Ramlila Maidan. Senior BJP leader and spokesperson Prakash Javadekar spoke to us a little while ago. Let's listen into what he had to say.
We have with us a national spokesperson, Mr. Prakash Javadekar. So what strong message is the BJP trying to send out to its cadre?
The strong message will be reassuring the country that your bad period of 10 years is over, and now with good governance practices and the performance and track record which was set by a visionary leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, we will assure the nation to rebuild economy, revive the economy, put it on the fast track and grow rapidly with social justice. And that is what the message will go through. A strong, one India, one people, one India, Shrestha Bharat, Ek Bharat. This will be the message which will be very loud after the session.
When we talk about the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections, now that the Congress is pretty much faceless, is it easier for the Bharatiya Janata Party to tackle the Congress, or will it become difficult now?
See, the country is fed up with the Congress misrule. Now whatever aggressive postures they may adopt, they are futile because people do not want this Congress regime to continue any further. And therefore people have already decided to, and they have reposed faith in leadership of Narendra Modi and have given verdict for the BJP. The fourth state election result is an indication of the shape of the things to come. And therefore this is the last meeting before the election, and this will definitely give a message to the country that yes, we have arrived, we are coming, and Congress is going.
Rahul Gandhi's speech yesterday, we saw a very different Rahul Gandhi. Do you think his new PR club has made the difference?
No, the PR club may do anything, but they know the basic rule that you cannot sell bad product through good advertisement.